Bootsy just had her bath and she's going to be groomed. For this video we're going to focus on trimming the nails. Now, one thing you'll notice is that when she comes out of the bath, she's been wrapped up like a little baby so that she can't really get up and stand up and try to jump off the grooming table. And we give her a little cushion for her head so she's comfortable and she can stay there for a few minutes while she starts to dry. Of course, the drying will be completed with a hair dryer. But I want to talk about clipping nails. So I'm going to first unwrap her a little bit so that we can get to the paws. She is an unusual black and tan because she has white paws. Now the white paws make it a little bit easier because a lot of the nails, as you can see, are white. And it's much easier to clip a white nail. If you take a close look at this nail right here, you'll see that there is some pink and then the tip is white. That pink is known as the quick, and that's where the blood is. And we don't want to cut there. If we cut there, the dog will bleed from the nail for a little while. It won't be a permanent injury or anything, but it'll be a little bit of a pain. And it will cause the dog to be in some discomfort. I like to use this type of a nail clipper. And it works very easily just by squeezing like a pair of pliers. The easiest way to do it, as far as I'm concerned, is to lay the clipper flat against the pads of the paw. Make sure that I'm not clipping off into the quick, and a little quick clip like that. There's one down here. This one up here is not a white nail, but we have an idea from the other two where the quick is, so we just cut off that sharp tip. Notice she's a little resistant, but she's okay. And the last one, right there. One other thing to keep in mind is what we call a dew claw. The dew claw is the fifth claw, usually found only on the front, and it's way up here, kind of like the thumb on your hand. It's way up high. The dew claw is way up high. And in the old days, we used to remove the dew claws when they were little tiny puppies, but we found that that's really not a good thing because there are ligaments and muscles attached to those dew claws, and you could cause problems later on. But that dew claw is very important to clip because if you see the shape of it, it's coming around in a circle, and if we allow it to come around in a complete circle, it's going to get caught on things and possibly cause the dog pain. So in this case, we can't lay the clippers flat. We have to come in on the inside. Make sure that we don't go into the quick and then give a little clip like that. I would repeat that same process on the other front paw and the back paws. Usually the back paws get worn a little bit more, but they should also be checked and clipped as necessary. So thank you, Bootsy, for being such a good subject.